Chicken with eggs is something new, so pay attention. Take 4 chicken legs. We will make cuts on each of them. Thanks to this, the chicken will better absorb the tastes of the surrounding ingredients and cook faster. 6 to 8 cuts on each leg is quite enough. Put the pan on the fire and pour olive oil into it. On the heated surface, lay out the legs with the cuts up. It should fit all 4 pieces perfectly. Properly sprinkle with salt and black pepper. Through our cuts, the spices are perfectly absorbed. You can add half a teaspoon of coriander. It has a slightly spicy taste and a very strong aroma. Fry for 5 minutes. You can turn the legs to the other side. We do this with tongs so as not to get burned. The chicken has already formed the desired crust. While the chicken is frying, prepare the onion. 1 medium head is cut into half rings. Not everyone likes onions, but in combination with poultry, they're just perfect. And today, you'll see this for yourself. It will give it extra juiciness. It's time to turn the chicken legs back to its original position. Chefs have this little trick. They always pre-roast meat or poultry before doing anything else with it. This creates a crust on the surface, and it retains the juiciness. Put the onion in the pan and even distributely with the tongs. It should soak in all the chicken juice. Leave that for another 5 minutes under the lid. Meanwhile, slice the tomatoes. We will need 3 medium tomatoes. First of all, we will remove the cuttings and leaves, not the tastiest part of the tomato. Next, cut into small pieces. The easiest way to do this is with a well-sharpened knife. Put the tomatoes in the pan, right next to the chicken. Be sure to add salt. Under its influence, the tomatoes will quickly give up their juice. A pinch of black pepper. Now mix everything up. Leave for another 5 minutes. Cover with a lid to preserve the juice. At the very beginning, I was talking about eggs. And now it's their turn. Break 5 chicken eggs into a bowl. Take a whisk and whisk. The yolks should be thoroughly mixed with the whites. Let's see how the chicken feels. She seems fine. It's time to add eggs to our dish. After that, leave on the fire for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget about the lid. Parsley and coriander are cut not very large. Sometimes you see coriander as seeds, but here we see it as a green. Remove the lid and sprinkle it on the chicken. Leave for another 2 to 3 minutes, and that's all. What sunny spring colors! Let's see if it tastes just as bright. It cuts perfectly. The chicken is very soft. See how well the meat is cooked? Take a piece, dip it in the sauce, and add the egg omelet. Bellissimo!